Hey guys, I'm Marv.
And I'm Aish.
And we're the Tasty Twins.
And here are the top 10 best desserts of 2020.
Let's get to it. But before we start, we'd just like to give a huge thank you to everyone who has watched our videos and has subscribed to our channel, as it really helps us out. And if it weren't for you guys, we wouldn't have gotten this far. So thank you so much, and now let's get into the top 10. Alright, number 10, we got our chocolate mousse.
This was very tasty, even though our sister did most of the recording. She sort of took it along at the very start. So yeah, I guess it was a really good video. Chocolate mousse tastes really good, and that's why we put it as number 10.
Our 9th best dessert of 2020. This was a different dessert than we usually make. It was a hot chocolate, as you would know, the pumpkin spice hot chocolate.
Yeah, very good result. Not really like as much of a dessert, but I guess it was pretty good in the end.
Yeah, it had a good result and it tasted delicious, so yeah.
Number 8. So this was super duper easy, no added sugar, and it was a 4-ingredient chocolate souffle. It was a different style of like recording. We did an overhead view, but I guess it was a really good dessert, really good video.
Yeah, I guess, you know, it did pretty well, and yeah, so that's why it is our 8th best dessert.
Yeah.
Alright, our 7th best dessert of 2020. It wasn't much of a dessert, it was more of a drink.
It actually was a drink.
It was a drink, yes. So we weren't actually at our normal location.
Because we were on vacation.
And that was summer lemonade. It was really good, you know.
Yeah. We like tested a lot for this video. We made a bunch of different variations of the drink, but this is our final result. Yeah.
And it was actually pretty fun, and it tasted delicious. Yeah. So yeah, that's why it's our 7th.
Number 6, our pavlova. Super simple. It was our first video. Really delicious.
Yeah, it had like 8 views.
Times 100.
Yeah. So overall, it was a really good video.
I guess, yeah. Okay, wait, no.
Sorry, just a bad time.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Number 5, this was a really good video. Had a lot of views on our channel. The number 1 Halloween movie snack. Very tasty, you know, pretty simple. Just salt and, you know, pumpkin seeds. And a little bit of a twist. Wasn't really much of a dessert, but it was so good, so we had to put it on our channel. And yeah, that's it.
Sometimes you gotta relax. Okay, number 4, we got our Tahitian vanilla creme brulee. This was amazing. Wow.
Yeah, such a good dessert. Way better than like ever expected. We never really knew we could make creme brulee. And yeah, I guess it was really good. The torch came in handy.
Yeah, that was really cool. Yeah. First time actually using a torch on a dessert, so it was awesome.
Yeah.
And yeah. Alright, heading on to our top 3 desserts. Our 3rd dessert was our apple pie.
Yeah, super tasty, super fun to make. We made it for Father's Day for our grandpa, actually.
It was,
he enjoyed it a lot.
He loved it.
It was really good, yeah.
The crust was actually probably the best part. Like, both the filling and the crust matched well, and it was amazing, so yeah. Now, on to the 2nd one. Our 2nd best dessert of 2020,
cinnamon rolls.
They were amazing.
Just so good.
That's all you can say.
Delicious.
They were amazing. They were actually so fun to make too, because like I don't know why, it was awesome using the floss to actually just like
break it in half.
Well, yeah,
in half. But yeah, it was really good. You know, really moist. Cinnamon was really good in there, and yeah, I guess it was overall really good dessert.
Okay, our best dessert of 2020 is
the best and tastiest Christmas treats
ever. Don't forget ever.
I'm sorry. Okay.
They were so good.
Yeah, it was just a bunch of desserts, 3 desserts actually. We had the pretzels,
the Christmas pretzels,
and the
Christmas
fudge.
bark, and the Christmas fudge.
Yes.
Pretzels were amazing. Like the sweet and salty mix.
Yeah, good variety. Everything in that video was good.
Yeah. Peppermint really just helped.
Yeah, and it shot up on our channel, got 100 views within like the first couple of weeks.
More than 100, I think, like 105 or something.
Yeah, 105. Yeah.
Yeah, it was so awesome. It was amazing variety. And yeah, so that's all. Okay, so as we said before, we'd like to thank you guys so much for an amazing 2020. We couldn't have gotten this far without you guys.
Make sure to subscribe to this channel as it really helps us out.
As well as liking this video and sharing this video.
Yeah, and make sure to check out our Instagram and our website linked down below.
And we'll see you in our next video.
Bye.